Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss GD file part 6. So let's start this video. Recipients of Bharat Ratna. C. Gopalachari in year 1954. C. Gopalachari found Bharat Ratna in year 1954. Means here the name of the candidate who got Bharat Ratna in second column year. In which year got? C. Raja Gopalachari 1954. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan in year 1954. Dr. C.V. Raman in year 1954. Means three great personality got Bharat Ratna in year 1954. C. Raja Gopalachari, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and Dr. C.V. Raman got Bharat Ratna in year 1954. Next, Dr. Bhagwan Das. Dr. Bhagwan Das in year 1955. Dr. M. Viswaraya in year 1955 and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in year 1955. Means in year 1955 three great personality got Bharat Ratna: Dr. Bhagwan Das, Dr. M. Viswaraya and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Govind Ballam Pant in year 1957. Dr. Dhodo Keshav Karve in year 1958. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy in year 1961. Purushottam Das Tandon got in year 1961. Dr. Rajendra Prasad got 1962. Dr. Zakir Hussain got 1963. Dr. Pandurang Varam Kane got 1963 Bharat Ratna. Lal Bahadur Shastri got Bharat Ratna in year 1966. Indira Gandhi got Bharat Ratna 1971. Means Bharat Ratna not awarded each and every year. When any candidate great personality found, then awarded Bharat Ratna. Not compulsory each and every year awarded Bharat Ratna. D.V. Giri year 1975. K. Kamraj got Bharat Ratna 1976. Mother Teresa got Bharat Ratna 1980. Acharya Vinoba Bhave in year 1983. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan awarded Bharat Ratna 1987. N.G. Ramachandran in year 1988. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar got Bharat Ratna 1990. Dr. Nelson Mandela got 1990. Morarji Desai got Bharat Ratna 1991. Rajiv Gandhi got Bharat Ratna 1991. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel got Bharat Ratna 1991. These three great personality got Bharat Ratna in year 1991. And Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad got Bharat Ratna 1992. J.R.D. Tata got Bharat Ratna 1992. Satyajit Roy film actor, director, got Bharat Ratna 1992. Gulzari Lal Nanda got Bharat Ratna 1997. In year 1992, three great personality got Bharat Ratna. Gulzari Lal Nanda 1997. Smriti Aruna Asaf Ali Srimati Aruna Asaf Ali got 1997. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam got Bharat Ratna 1997. MS Subbulakshmi got Bharat Ratna 1998 for music. MS Subbulakshmi got Bharat Ratna 1998. C. Subramaniam got Bharat Ratna 1998. Jay Prakash Narayan got Bharat Ratna 1998. Professor Amrit Sen got Bharat Ratna 1999. Pandit Ravi Shankar got Bharat Ratna 1999. Gopinath Barloi got Bharat Ratna 1999. These three great personalities got Bharat Ratna in year 1999. Lata Mangeshkar got Bharat Ratna 2001. Bismillah Khan got Bharat Ratna 2001. And Bhim Sen Joshi got Bharat Ratna 2009. CNR Rao got 2014. Sachin Tendulkar got Bharat Ratna 2014. Only one sports person got Bharat Ratna, Sachin Tendulkar, in year 2014. Madan Mohan Malviya got 2015 Bharat Ratna. Atal Bihari Vajpayee got Bharat Ratna 2015. Pranab Mukherjee got Bharat Ratna 2019. Bhupendra Hazarika got Bharat Ratna 2019. Nanaji Deshmukh got Bharat Ratna 2019. Present time 2020. So all the recipients of Bharat Ratna who got Bharat Ratna, the list of Bharat Ratna awarded a great person. World superlative. World superlative was 7 continents. Here 7 continents according to descending order. Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. And how many area? 44,579,000 square kilometer, and in this continent 44 countries. Africa, second one is Africa, 30,221,000 square kilometer, 54 countries. North America, 24,256,000 square kilometer. In this continent, 23 countries. South America, 17,819,000 square kilometer, 12 countries. Antarctica, 13,209,000 square kilometer, in 4 countries. Europe, 9,938,000 square kilometer. In this continent, 46 countries. Australia is smallest continent, 8,112,000 square kilometer. In this continent, 40 country. Means largest country Asia and smallest country continent Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is smallest continent. The area of smallest continent Australia, 8,112,000 square kilometer, and in this continent only 14 countries. Hopefully all students understand all content of this video. Each and every students learn them. If you face any problem, call me by number 8840156170. And 7 continent, India belong. Largest continent means Asia continent. Asia continent is the biggest, largest continent in the world. Means there are 7 continents and Asia is the largest continent out of 7 continents. Okay, thank you.